This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Give this one a try. Okay, we have a workspace. We have 1 out of 4 blocks. Yep, so here's my 1. And we need to hit this pig. Alright, so let me go zoop and zoop. And let me just step through because I can't really tell the difference. So I'm going to hit step. And okay, so we're on that block. This is what's great about step. It runs your code real slow. And I'm going to hit step. Okay, so it looks like we need to go south 3 times. Yep, and notice now we have 4 out of 4 blocks. We're not supposed to use more than 4. That's a good sign. However, this should work. There's an easier way to do this, and I'm going to show you it now. So, yay, we did that, but watch. So notice this is 3 different blocks. And what does this say? Repeat 3. I bet if we put something in this pink mouthy thing in between, it repeats whatever's in there. Okay, so I'm going to start with one of our south. So let me get rid of 2 of these and just drop it in here. And we'll do 2 to start. Okay? Zoop. And boop. 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 Right? And so we went around twice. It said, okay, I hit run. The computer says, okay, I got to do something twice. What? Oh, go south. Okay, I went south. Boom. Hit the bottom. Zoop. Back up to the top. What do I got to do? One more time. Oh, go south. Right? And we could do something too like this. It will run more than one line. And even if we wanted to, well, I'll leave. Let me just show you that it could do more than one line. Boom. Boom. Zoop. And now it's going to go south again. Boom. And now whoop, twice. Okay? But we want to move south 3 times. Let's fix this up and run. And notice now we only are using 3 blocks. We don't even need all the blocks they give us. Bam. Awesome. Onward.